Why does your scanner show the P2537 engine code? What does it mean? P2537 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition switch accessory position circuit low. The P2537 engine code for indicate the vehicle's computer, such as the body control module or transmission control module. Power line has dropped below the required threshold, typically under 6 to 9 volts. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged or broken wiring, faulty ignition switch, weak battery, blown or loose fuse, faulty control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, GMC, Hyundai, and Chrysler. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.